Residents of Sudan's capital reported renewed heavy gunfire on Thursday over central Khartoum and some other areas as many tried to flee the city on the eve of the Eid holiday, marking the end of the holy month of Ramzan. Khartoum and sister cities Omdurman and Bahari have been rocked by fierce battles this week between the army and the paramilitary rapid support forces that have shut the city down, stranding many and causing food supplies to run short. Early on Thursday, smoke and fires that had risen from the city in previous days had abated. Live TV feeds over Khartoum showed before the fighting erupted once again. Both the sides said earlier they would respect 24-hour ceasefire that was due to come into effect at 6 p.m. local time on Wednesday, but was quickly broken by renewed fighting. A Tunisian judge on Thursday ordered opposition leader Rachid Ghannouchi to be detained before his trial on charges of plotting against state security, the latest escalation of a crackdown against opponents of the president. The 81-year-old head of the Islamist Ennahda party was the speaker of the elected parliament, which was shut down in 2021 by President Kais Saied when he seized all powers. Ghannouchi, who was arrested on Monday, was ordered detained following an investigation by the judges that lasted 8 hours. No date has been set for any trial or the next hearing. Ennahda condemned the unjust decision and said it was intended to cover a failure in a stifling economic and financial crisis that is leading the country towards bankruptcy. The sudden death of the K-pop star and Astro band member Moonbin has left the fans in a state of shock. Reports suggest that the 25-year-old took his own life and currently an autopsy is underway to determine the exact cause of his death. His agency Fantiago released an official statement and broke the news of the K-pop singer's sudden demise. The statement read, "This is Fantiago. First, we apologize for having to convey this sorrowful and heartbreaking news. On April 19th, Astro member Moonbin suddenly left us and has now become a star in the sky." Moonbin was scheduled to perform at the upcoming Dream concert as a part of the group's activity. Astro originally consisted of 6 members. It debuted in February 2016. In February this year, it was announced that member Rocky would be exiting the group following the expiration of his contract with the company. Currently, it has only MJ, Jinjin, Cha Eun-woo and Sanha. Moonbin has worked as an actor and model before joining the popular boy band Astro in 2016 at the age of 18. Pakistan has announced that Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari will head the country's delegation at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, which is being held in May in Goa. Bilawal's visit to India is the first by any Pakistani leader after Nawaz Sharif in 2014. Pakistan Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch said in a briefing that the SCO Foreign Ministers meeting is scheduled from May 4th to 5th. Bilawal is also the first foreign minister to visit India 12 years after former Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar came to India. The high-level visit could lead to a thaw in the bilateral relations. Indian and Pakistan's ties have been strained following the Balakot strikes in response to the 2019 Pulwama terror attack and the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. India has formally sent invitations to all SCO members, including Pakistan and China, for the foreign ministers' meeting. Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang and his Russian counterpart Sergei Lavrov are also likely to attend the meeting.